Hello everyone, and welcome back to BioScholar. Today, we're setting off into the world of cell biology to uncover the secrets of the endoplasmic reticulum. And by the end of this video, you'll have a whole new appreciation for this incredible cellular structure. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty of the endoplasmic reticulum, let's lay down the basics. Imagine a cell as a bustling city, and within that city lies a bustling factory, the endoplasmic reticulum. Here's what the ER looks like. It's not just a static structure. It's a dynamic network of membranes intricately woven throughout the cell. Picture it as the cell's very own highway system, connecting various regions and enabling the efficient movement of materials. Now, imagine this network split into two main types: the smooth ER and the rough ER. The rough ER stands out due to its studded appearance, thanks to ribosomes dotting its surface like busy workers in a factory. These ribosomes are the cell's protein-producing powerhouses. As the ribosomes work tirelessly, they synthesize proteins that will serve diverse functions within the cell and even beyond. These proteins can range from enzymes that facilitate chemical reactions to structural proteins that give the cell its shape and integrity. Producing proteins is just the beginning. Endoplasmic reticulum takes its quality control seriously. It ensures that the proteins are properly folded, and if any fail the test, they're sent for recycling. On the flip side, we have the smooth ER, which lacks these ribosomes. But don't let its smooth appearance fool you. It's a hub of activity too. Smooth ER is like a lipid factory. It's responsible for synthesizing lipids, which are essential components of cell membranes, hormones, and other crucial molecules. These lipids are then dispatched to different parts of the cell, contributing to its structure and signaling pathways. Hold on to your seats, because endoplasmic reticulum also plays a pivotal role in intracellular transport. It's like a busy highway network within the cell, allowing materials to move from one part to another in tiny bubble-like structures called vesicles. But wait, there's more. The smooth endoplasmic reticulum isn't just about lipids. It's also responsible for detoxifying the cell. It's like the cell's detox center, breaking down harmful substances. So, there you go, the endoplasmic reticulum. A multitasking marvel within our cells. From protein synthesis to lipid production, quality control to detoxification, this cellular factory keeps things running smoothly. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the world of the endoplasmic reticulum. If you found this video as intriguing as I did, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell to stay updated. Until next time, stay curious.